So we're at this is a York 7.5 ton Predator. I came up here to see if it was working because the tenant wasn't sure. And he noticed his natural gas bill there's no natural gas consumption, so he questioned whether this was even running. And I found that disconnect in the off position, and I found some water damage. It's an aquarium store, so there's a lot of condensation forming on any cold surface. So these contactors are wet. Water sitting in there. That control fuse, if you can see it. There it is. That's tripped, and the main board is soaked. Like there's just water everywhere on that board. So I'm not going to start this. Somebody's already been up here. No report. I wanted to find some history on this unit, but so you can see the corrosion on this motor. That's all moisture damage. The windings. Like I said, I don't want to start this motor. And the limit, that's all just soaked in there. Everything's soaked. Warm air, warm moist air from an aquarium, from the evaporation. It's just a wet environment. Migrating up to any cold surface on this unit is going to condense moisture. So I got to take that board out and dry it and see if, and then I'm going to disable the blower motor and see if the burners will fire. An ignition board has got a visible signs of some damage. Probably all needs to be cleaned up. I'll check the heat exchanger, might be cracked or corroded as well, so I'll pop this off. And looks like somebody already had this off, you can see. So this heat exchanger might be an issue as well. We don't know. I don't know. But somebody turned this off for a reason, right? Prior to my arrival.